Another FUE day. We are going to harvest and transplant up to 2,200 FUE grafts. The patient today has been following another patient on Snapchat and Instagram, and he would love to talk to us about his, feeling and how, what happened and what brought him here. All right, hair shaved, good to go. How do you feel?
I'm excited and nervous, but more excited. It's actually happening today, so there's been a lot of build-up. Everyone here has been really nice and friendly and helping me feel calm, and I'm ready to get going. How do I look right now?
You look not too bad, sir. Not too bad. The first time shaving head?
Since I was like a baby. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my God! So that's something new.
It sure is.
That's good. All right, so we're going to share this throughout the day.
Sure.
All right, good.
Snoring, that's a pretty good sign.
Snoring is really good. We like snoring.
There's a depth to your sleep.
Sounds like music to our ears.
Yeah.
So his hairline is coming together very nicely. We're doing the final touches. I just went ahead and fine-tuned it. That's what I do at the end of the procedure. I just look at everything that we have placed and we have made before, and then whenever I can fit a few more grafts in those strategic places, I'll do that. Almost done. So you're almost done, sir.
How does it look?
It looks pretty solid. Yeah, I'll show it to you. So it's just doing the fine tuning. So plan for tonight?
I'm gonna rest. Gonna order a pizza.
Oh, what kind of pizza?
Something with a lot of meat and a lot of cheese on it.
Oh yeah, high protein. Makes
sure.
sense.
Yeah, high
Makes
protein.
Sense. Yeah.
I didn't feel very much. I was surprised. I fell asleep actually.
Yeah.
While they were doing their thing. So I was impressed. Very
Good.
cool.
Good. Perfect. All right. So we'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
After this. Yeah.